Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. It's me, your boy Gabbyproscra from Proscra Beats. You already know. Today we're going to be making a Nandor Love type beat. Most of you already know who Nandor Love is. I'm not going to explain so much about her. So if you don't know, you can search in Google who Nandor Love is. They will tell you everything about her. So as you always know, we first play the loop, break it down, then after we break down the drums, then after we play the full beat. Not to waste so much time, let's play the loop and you hear it.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.
So as you can hear, that's a very beautiful melody for someone like Nandor Love to use, someone like Azawi, someone like maybe Vinka. Yeah, you know, first thing I did, I went and played the FL keys. You already know FL keys. If you have, everybody has FL keys. You're not going to tell me you don't have it. You have it. You're having it. So this is how I played it. I went and played Kalimba from Flex. I added another Kalimba. This one is a free plugin. I played it like this. Added some bass on it. It's from Hammer. I went and played the Morphine. This is how it sounded. I added this dog bark, so I just kept on playing it over and over again. Remember I said most of these Ugandan beats you have to play bass, two basses. If you play only one, the song can be boring, so you have to be changing. Most of these female artists like Azawi, Vinka, the second bass this one I wanted to play for the top melodies. As you can see, I played down here with the velocity. So here's how I played it. I played a vibraphone from Flex. This is how it sounded. That one kept it to be a melodic. It was sounding like a bell. It should be real melodic, and the bell, things like the bell there should sound, it can keep it to be melodic, so artists would love to use it. The second thing I played was some simple trumpet here, just as easy as that. So then I played another morphine. I wanted just some noise to be there in the background as a texture. That one is lead Fat MC, your basic pet. I first played the rounded one. It sounded like this. So then after I played your basic pet, it sounded like this. This one I played it a bit longer. That thing brought real emotion there. Someone like Nandor Love would really love to use that. It's already sounding like her voice, if you can hear it. I played this one to be the one for the closing. It sounded like this. Played some ample guitar in a simple way, just to add some textures. Let's play the melody one more time, then I show you what I did with the drums.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.
So not to waste so much time, let me show you what I did with the drums. So the drums, I played this reggaeton snare. I just kept on repeating it. I added another one, a rim shot here first. So if you go on the mixer, you find that this rim shot, I've put some reverb on it. That's why you're hearing it sounding the other different way. And it's low noise in the background. So this time I said we're going to keep the drums so simple because it's Nandor Love, so you don't need to play so many complicated things. So then I played just the kick now. So I added some rolls and I added some crash. So that was about the drums. Let's play the full beat, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share it to the people you feel like they're supposed to see. See you on the next video.